Are you looking for the best motherboards? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best motherboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Asus ROG Maximus Z890 Hero. Asus's ROG Maximus Z890 Hero is the best Intel LGA 1851 motherboard we have reviewed. It features a robust power design and an almost absurd number of M.2 slots, 6 in total, 3 of which are PCIe 5.0. The board also has several useful AI/DIY features and Thunderbolt 4 support, among a long list of other high-end extras. You'll have a hard time finding a better appointed board for Intel Arrow Lake than this one. QDIM support, memory support for DDR5-9200+ OC speeds, and up to 192 GB capacity mean this is no ordinary mainboard on the memory side. Auto-overclock features working on the fly, powered by an integrated microcontroller to track telemetry, temperature and frequency, for your CPU and system, put it at the next level, along with a 27-phase power design. While it is one of the best and most premium LGA 1851 motherboards we've reviewed, it is also among the most expensive. Budget shoppers should scroll on. This board targets shoppers who want to build the best LGA 1851 PC they can. Number 2. MSI MPG Z890 Carbon Wi-Fi. Mid-range motherboards are murky to define these days. Prices have risen across the market, across all categories of MOBO. But nothing's murky about why this MSI ATX effort gets a nod. Top-shelf features abound, like 5 M.2 slots, 1 PCIe 5.0, dual high-speed LAN ports, twin Thunderbolt 4 ports, Wi-Fi 7, and robust power delivery, all wrapped in a stylish matte black design. MSI's redesigned Click BIOS X and DIY-friendly touches, like easy M.2 latches and a simple PCIe slot release, elevate usability. This board nails the fundamentals and the extras alike, making it a standout pick for Arrow Lake builders not ready to splash out for a true flagship board, but still wanting a luxe ride. The MPG Z890 Carbon Wi-Fi is ideal for power users, PC enthusiasts, and aspiring overclockers building an Arrow Lake system without venturing into extreme price territory. It suits DIYers who value both performance and polish. If you're upgrading to LGA 1851 and want future-forward features in a visually sleek platform, this board goes carbon hard. Number 3. Asus TUF Gaming X870 Plus Wi-Fi. Rev up that Ryzen 9000 CPU. Asus aimed to strike a balance between rich features and cost with this AMD motherboard based on AMD's X870 chipset. The board may not look the most premium, but its features include practical stuff like support for USB 4, PCIe 5.0, and Wi-Fi 7, and it provides these future-look features at a highly competitive price. Indeed, you get a wealth of forward-looking design here, alongside robust build quality, including reinforced slots and a meaty power delivery system. DIY conveniences abound, too. Thoughtful extras like Asus Q Release, Q Antenna, and memory auto-tuning simplify setup. Mainstream PC builders should rally around this one. The TUF Gaming X870 Plus Wi-Fi gives you access to most of today's notable new motherboard features on one of AMD's latest chipsets, without costing a fortune. The only thing you miss out on is a sleek and polished appearance for a high-visibility PC build. Neat extras like customizable OLED panels aren't the focus here, but the features that actually matter to your PC's performance are all here. As a durable, no-nonsense board built for longevity and ease of use, this TUF guy hits the sweet spot. Number 4. Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Elite AX. Looking last generation? No shame in that. Gigabyte's premium Z790 Aorus Elite AX was designed for gamers who want a top-tier motherboard in their next PC without busting their budget. Its robust power design should easily handle the most power-hungry processors available for the LGA 1700 socket, and it shouldn't have any problems overclocking them, either. It offers 4 M.2 sockets, all PCIe 4.0, 6 SATA ports, DDR5 support up to 7600 MHz, robust 19-phase power delivery, and a premium-feeling design with subtle RGB. It supports Intel's 12th and 13th Gen CPUs effortlessly, while extras like reinforced PCIe slots, Wi-Fi 6E, and a clean UEFI BIOS elevate the user experience. Intel's LGA 1700 platform might be headed out of the market, but it still provides excellent performance and is worth considering. The Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Elite AX is well priced and has a premium feature set, making it one of the best options for a gaming PC that doesn't have to have up-to-the-second parts. If you don't need LGA 1851 or bleeding-edge M.2 PCIe 5.0 support, but value reliability, cooling, and expandability, this well-rounded Z790 board deserves a prime spot on your build list. Number 5. ASRock PGZ790 Lighting Wi-Fi. ASRock did an excellent job with its PGZ790 motherboard by providing a robust feature set at a highly competitive price. It's among the most affordable LGA 1700 motherboards to feature AZ790 chipset, which gives you the controls to overclock unlocked Intel processors. It also serves up the best connectivity support of any Intel LGA 1700 series chipset, including a 20 gigabits per second USB-C port on its rear I/O panel and 3 M.2 slots for fast SSDs. If you are looking for a budget-friendly motherboard for an Intel LGA 1700 system, the ASRock PGZ790 is a safe option and well worth considering. The board's budget price comes with minor trade-offs, such as an older audio codec, but it isn't lacking in any way you are likely to notice. At the same time, this board can support powerful processors like the Intel Core i9-14900K and make for a highly capable gaming PC.